Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. I am so excited because this week we have 4 collections. Normally we only have 3, but so much good art was released and I could not resist. We also have a foil bundle. We have 3 new foiled mini icon sheets. And then also I just wanted to show y'all the newest freebies that are going out. We kind of like change up the freebies pretty often. So some of these have went out already, but these are the ones that have went out recently. So this is like a summer vibes mini doodle sheet. So in orders you get a freebie, and this is just an option of one of the ones that you could receive. And these are just the color options for the summer ones. So I thought those were super cute. Now let's go ahead into the foil. So the first thing we'll go through is the foil bundle. And this is Hollow Celestial, which is so pretty. So let's go ahead and go through this. So you have your first 2 pages here, which are the 6 full box overlays and then the glitter header overlays. There's the 2 bougie box pages, the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, deco, the 15mm strip overlays, and the date numbers. And as always, the foil bundles are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern when all of these releases go up through Monday. So let's go into these doodle icons. It'll be way easier to see them in the picture because they are so tiny. Actually, silver would be the easiest for y'all to see. So this is the first one, and they do come in all 5 foils, and these are perfect for little things. I personally love using little teeny tiny foiled icons on little things. I just think it's so much easier than digging through all of my doodles and such for the teeny tiny spot there. So this has a variety of kind of like everyday icons. There's game controllers, there's mailboxes, weather stickers, bowling, like all kinds of beach balls, church, money, lots of different things on here. So it's kind of like a variety sampler. So like I said, they do come in the 5 foils. So there is the gold, the silver, the rose, the hollow, and the sparkly hollow. The next one here is the first food option. So let me show you it in silver because like I said, easiest to see, best contrast. So this just has a lot of different food items on it, and I'm so excited for these because I would love to have an option besides the fork and knife for food. And I guess there's the little takeout bags too, but this is just going to give me a little extra added variety. And then there is the second food option, which just has more food on them. And I think all of the icons are unique, I believe. Pretty sure. Or like close. So super cute. Those are going to be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then let's start going through the kits. Let's go through Vengeance first. So this, it's not really a recolor, but it's kind of like a recolor with like added items from the like superhero set, but this is Batman themed. Jess loves the new Batman theme. Kitten is Jess, the artist for this kit, and she wanted to do a art set for it and thought this would be like an easy way to do it but still be able to make it very unique. I think it has definitely different vibes from the superhero set, and I am so excited. I definitely will be using this when, I'm not quite sure, but maybe I'll use it in October actually. I think that'd be cute. Maybe for Jess's birthday, that'd be adorable. So you have the 2 fashion options here, and then you have the 2 flat lays. This one has a bunch of movies with the popcorn and then like the sweatshirt and all of the little masks and things like that. And then you have another double box scene here, but I think this is definitely one of the scenes that you could totally separate and it would look super cute. I added that to like this faux mirror that I made there. I think it turned out so cute. I love this fashion option here. Love these colors. I think they're so fun. This would be really cool with like any black foil. Like if you wanted to do black, sparkly black, that like black that has the squares in it, or if you wanted to go red, I think would be really cool. If you wanted to stick with the classic foils, I think silver would probably be my favorite option. I love the black bottom washing. I love the grid patterns. I think those are so fun. This would be super cute for a quote box or plain by itself. And then this is the alternative skin tone option for this box here, which is a freebie in both the mini and ultimate. And all of this week's kits do have ultimate and mini options. So that is the first kit, Vengeance. Let me show you the add-on options for this one. So you do have the doodle, there is the functional, the ombre, the label, and then there is also label 2, which is another color that is in the set. And then there is also fam options. So you have the tall box here, the kiddo, and then you have another fashion option here. So stinking cute, the normal 6 fam options. I just love, love, love these. And I love this tall box here. I just think so pretty. So that is the first kit, which is Vengeance. The second kit I have here is Summer in Providence. Also does come in a mini kit. This one is so pretty. And someone commented on the Instagram picture saying Bridgerton vibes, and I totally see that too. I think this is a really pretty summer kit, or kind of anytime. I love this dog. I think it's so adorable, and the fashion options in this, oh, they're just so beautiful. Love the details, love the colors. There was like a lavender fields or something kit that had similar colorway to this. The cats, the flowers, it's just so pretty. And this with like either silver hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow would be a total vibe. Or like silver and gold mixed together, I think could be really pretty as well. The freebie in both the mini and ultimate is more boxes. So this has a ton of boxes. I love a good all purple set. I wasn't like super into purple like maybe like 4 years ago, but then purple really won me over. So then you have the doodle, the functional, if you want to add that on, the ombre, the label, and then also label 2. And then there is fam options, and these are so pretty. Like I think the fam boxes just add on something that makes me just want to use this immediately. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I just love this box too. Like all of them, like it's just so good, but this one, I don't know what it is. I just love it. So details in this one are just so pretty, and I think that one's going to be beautiful laid down. Next, we'll go through Perfect Game. And when I saw this art was released, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so adorable, and it makes me want to go bowling. I'm not like super great at bowling, but I was in bowling club in high school. Forgot that that was an actual thing until recently, but it was really fun. So this is a bowling set, super cute. Could we totally use this anytime? It's like one of those ones that have gorgeous colors. I think so many different foils would look so good with this. Kind of like the other purple one where I think it would look really pretty with silver if you wanted to go basic, or if you wanted to do hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow. One of the mixed metals like lavender hollow, hollow, or sparkly hollow and hollow would be really pretty. Or if you wanted to do like a pink or a purple or like a green, it's just possibilities are endless with this, and I think the colors are so fun. I love a good yellow in a kit. The patterns are so pretty. I love all the like deco pieces. This is such a pretty box. And then I love this pattern with the like kind of like floor print. Obsessed. Definitely will be using this. This is the freebie in both the mini and ultimate, is the tall box. And then let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. So you have the fashion if you want to add it on. There's also the functional, the ombre, the label 2, and then the doodle. So that is Perfect Game. And last but not least, we have Orchard, which is totally a very like, I feel like a very summer to fall transition kit. Could go either way, and it is so cute. I love the amount of food in this set. Like you have the apple bread, you have the little like crisps, the tea or coffee, the muffins, the jam, the cinnamon sticks with the apples, the pies, the apples being cut up. We love a good food box in a kit, and when there's so many food boxes, I can't resist. This definitely has a very like farmy type like fall colorway, but I do think, like I said, you could totally use this in summer. I love that extra box there. The freebie and the mini and ultimate is another scene. This one has the barn with a like a pickup truck in it. And then let's go through the add-on options. There are the doodles, the label, the ombre, the functional, and then also the fashion. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern as always, and I will be doing a new flash sale this week. I didn't do a new one last week, but I'm going to do something fun and exciting this week, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.